Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So we are back on discussing the purport of Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, 14th chapter, 29th verse. So the purport given by Srila Prabhupada goes like this. His Divine Grace is Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. So Srila Prabhupada says here, it is stated, Harim vina mritim na taranti. No one can save himself from the cruel hands of death without being favored by Hari. So, as in this material world, people are being favored by some so called influential people like some judges, some पुलिस के साथ तालमेल है हमारा. सो दैट इज ओके, बट दैट इज टेम्पररी. देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे यही है that a person who worships some man-made god or unauthorized god, no one can save him from the clutches of death. हमारा लास्ट वीडियो का टाइटल था. So yes, Sharupad says that one must be favored by Hari. Even Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that no one is my क्या कहते हैं, no one कुछ था, if I am not wrong, that मैं किसी का हितैषी नहीं हूँ ना किसी का मैं क्या कहते, सॉरी उसको छोड़ दीजिए. आई एम नॉट दैट मच आई एम नॉट दैट मच ज्ञानी जितना मुझे आता है. आई डोंट वांट टू कमिट ऑफेंस टुवर्ड्स भगवद गीता, बट अ पर्सन who is favored by Hari, it is important, it is necessary. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that पर्सन जितना वो सरेंडर करता रहता है उतना ही भगवान उसके प्रति क्या कहते हैं, पर्सन उसका लेवल ऑफ सरेंडरेंस विल बी, क्या कहते हैं, उतना ही कृष्ण उनके साथ वो आदान प्रदान करेंगे. सो उसका वर्स मैं भूल रहा हूँ देखा जाए तो, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू टेक द एसेंस. So no one can save himself from the cruel hands of death without being favored by Hari, the supreme personality of Godhead. Yeah, Krishna here Srila Prabhupada again established that who is the supreme personality of Godhead? Hari. In Bhagavad Gita, it is stated, Maam eva ye prapandyante maya etam tarantite. So whoever fully surrenders unto Krishna can be saved from the cruel hands of material nature. Otherwise, there is no other way. One must have to surrender. It is my practical experience that even if I try to go somewhere else, Krishna will go. He is very much merciful. देखा जाए तो मतलब he is like a father or we can say a mentor. वो समझाएगा आपको, बहुत बहुत बार समझाएगा, बाय सम एग्जाम्पल्स, बाय सम आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा स्थिति घटेगी कि आपको पता चलेगा कि हाँ सही बात है, बट स्टिल यू आर सो मच रिलेक्टेंट दैट यू वांट टू तुमको वो क्या कहते हैं डोंकी यूरिन का रस चखना ही है, देन कृष्णा लेट्स गो. हाँ एक बार जाके आओ फिर वापस आ जाना करके. सो दैट पर्सन गोज, ही experiences and he cries, he comes again, then Krishna accepts him again. So so fully surrenderance unto Krishna, it is required. If even if we accept it or don't accept it, we have to come to this level. हम जो कुछ भी try करें, whenever whatever we try, fully surrender, one person's fully surrender unto Krishna can be saved from cruel hands of material nature. The conditioned soul, however, sometimes wants to take shelter of a demigod, man-made god, pseudo-incarnation or bogus swami or yogi. All these cheaters claim to follow religious principles, and all this has become very popular in this age of Kali. If someone is watching my videos and is very much active, then you can comment five people, five names in the comment section. I can easily name them, but I don't want to. These are many pashandis. Pashandis means what? Who are the lowest of mankind. They are called pashandis. There are many Pashandis who, without referring to the Shastras, pose themselves as incarnation, and foolish people follow them. I was seeing the Leela of Shla Bhaktivinoda Thakur by the divine grace of Shla Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj. We have got this beautiful series named Abhaycharan, now available in many languages. So शायद in the last second episode 44th episode शायद होगा, in that Bhakti Vinod Thakur, how he expels some Bish Kishan करके कोई तांत्रिक, he had some mystical powers and he was becoming very much influential at that time. But how Bhakti Vinod Thakur refutes him, it is very much grave, it is very much मतलब क्या कहते हैं, उत्साह देने वाला चीज़ है, that these Pashandis exist, and if Pashandis exist, then the pure devotees of the Lord also exist to remove those Pashandis, like Srila Prabhupada. He has he has refuted many modern Pashandis like scientists, because scientists, even if they say or not, they consider themselves as God, and Krishna and Srila Prabhupada has refuted his whole life to those rascal scientists. So here Krishna say, here Srila Prabhupada says, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has left behind him Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita, not referring to these authorized scriptures. Rascals take shelter of man-made scriptures and try to compete with Lord Krishna. Contemplate तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, फिर Sai. I don't want to complete that sentence. So people are many man-made cults, many everything is for right now in the age of Kali. Many things are taking place without a reference of Shastras like glorious Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. And these rascals, yes, Prabhupada saying the perfect line, these rascals taking the shelter of man-made scriptures try to compete with Lord Krishna. That is the greatest difficulty one encounters when trying to promote spiritual consciousness in human society. So ये चीज़, हाँ, अगर किसी ने यहाँ पे, if you are watching my video, if you have tried someone preaching, so there are two types of people. One is who are materialists, and second is so-called spiritualists. So I have realized that अभी भले ही very much less, बहुत कम मेरा exposure हुआ हो, but I have understood that to preach and convince a materialist into Krishna consciousness is far more easier than to convince a so-called spiritualists to accept Krishna consciousness, because it is like, it is impossible, so-called impossible, बहुत possible हो सकता है by the mercy of pure devotees, but almost impossible to convert a Mayavadi, so-called modern Mayavadi, into Krishna Bhakta. But it is very easy to convert some materialistic person into Krishna consciousness. So we have to हमको हमारा वो प्रायोरिटीज हमको सेट करना चाहिए. इफ अ पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू टेक इवन आफ्टर many ट्रायल्स, उसके लिए प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए. बट वी डोंट हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस द प्रीचिंग ऑफ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस टू अदर पीपल हु नीड इट. सो उनको हमको सेक्रीफाइस नहीं करना चाहिए एक व्यक्ति के पीछे. सो यस, दिस इज द थिंग वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. द कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस मूवमेंट is trying its best to bring people back to Krishna consciousness in its pure form, but the Pashandis and atheists who are cheaters, not teachers, cheaters, आचार्य नहीं. अभी वो एक आचार्य प्रशांत करके, ही इज़ वेरी मच पॉपुलर, बट स्टिल आई डोंट नो, वो गांजा फूकते हैं, वो सब कुछ करते हैं, एंड आई डोंट नो वो गांजे के अंदर शायद सब कुछ होगा, पता नहीं. दैट goes to his brain and it feeds there, and then he speaks from his mic टू द पीपल, उसको ऐड करना पड़ता है उसके भगवत गीता कोर्सेज के लिए. सो इवन the Krishna consciousness movement, which is the most authentic thing, most authentic path towards supreme personality of Godhead, approaching supreme personality of Godhead. But still, due to this, all of this cheating societies which are established right now to compete Krishna consciousness, so they are the real hindrance in the preaching mission. Yeshurpa saying the same thing, that Krishna consciousness movement is trying its best to bring people back to Krishna consciousness in its pure form. ये लोग इवन कृष्णा कॉन्शियस सोसाइटी एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय श्रीला प्रभुपाद, उसमें भी एक डिविएंट सोसाइटी क्या कहते हैं विथ स्मॉल ब्रांच वो बन गया है, विच इज कॉल्ड ऋतिकवाद, ऋतिक मायावाद. सो इन इट्स प्योर फॉर्म कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस ऐसा नहीं बोला श्री प्रभुपाद, ही कुड से दैट पीपल बैक टू कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस, but no, Sri Prabhupada is saying that Krishna consciousness is in pure form means that it is according to Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, not that some mentally concocted कि ये दो चीज को फॉलो करता हूँ दूसरे चीज को मैं फॉलो नहीं करता हूँ. No, everything must be followed by Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. So, but the Pashandis and atheists who are cheaters are so numerous that sometimes we become perplexed, हम confused हो जाते हैं and wonder how to push this movement forward. In any case, we cannot accept the unauthorized ways of so-called incarnations, gods, cheaters and bluffers who are described here as crows, vultures, buzzards and herons. So yes, that was it for today's discussion. We will be taking the 30th verse in the next video. हरे कृष्णा. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. श्रीमद् भागवतम महापुराण की जय. हरे कृष्णा.